Hi everyone, today we're showing you a quick recipe for pasta salad. If you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to press that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay notified on our latest videos. To start, go ahead and boil 1 cup of pasta on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you can go ahead and strain it in a colander. So for this recipe, you will need your boiled pasta, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon sugar, half cup of mayonnaise, and apples. So you can go ahead and cut your apples into very small pieces. It really is up to you how much apples you want in your pasta salad and how much of an apple flavor you want to give to it. For the final step, just go ahead and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Now you can get as creative as you like. Over here what we did was we got an apple and made a swan out of it. It's actually from another YouTube video. It'll be linked in the description below. I just thought it was very cool. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more videos.